In this video, I will show you how to add business holidays in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. Now, go to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. Once you are in your settings board, look for and click on Holiday List. This section lets you manage your company's official holidays to help your support team maintain accurate working hours. Next, click on New Holiday List on the top right part of the page. A setup window will appear. Here, type in the holiday name and if needed, toggle business hours on or off. Then, scroll down to the calendar section where you can select specific dates. Click on any date, enter the holiday name or note, and click Add. You can repeat this for multiple holidays as needed. Zoho Desk will automatically adjust schedules and ticket timings based on these holidays. And that's how to add business holidays in Zoho Desk.